just out for a nighttime walk in Xi'an outside the Bow Tower. Just checking out the scenery and how busy the night scene is. It's about 9 o'clock at night and people are enjoying themselves, having a chat and having a walk in the fresh air of the night. We've now arrived at the drum tower in Xi'an, just watching the people firing their glowing lights into the sky. I really like walking around the cities in China at night time with the lit up buildings and people just out and about enjoying themselves. So that's it for a quick video, my nighttime walk in the city of Xi'an, the ancient capital of China. If you'd like to see any more videos similar to this, then hit this subscribe button. If you liked watching this video, please give me a thumbs up.